How to convert image to video in Canvas. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Canvas to the latest version. Then open up Canvas on a device. Now wait for some time. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom center. Now scroll to the right and select videos. Now select the video layout. Now wait for some time. Now select the first clip. You can adjust the duration. Now tap on the cross icon and tap on gallery. Now select the photo you want to convert to video. Now click on add to page. Now tap on the empty space. Now select the photo. Now tap on effects. Now you can add different effects. Now play the video. Now once you're done, simply tap on export at the top right corner. Now tap on download. Now click on download. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.